Hey, Nino.
Tell you, Nina, you don't want to miss anything.
She's late already.
See what it says?
What?
See what it says on your dad's birthday card?
Open it at your own risk.
Yeah.
Day, huh? Or the other day? The other day. How does it feel?
The same.
The same?
What? I feel the same.
Oh, the years?
No older, no younger, no.
Me too. I feel the same. I'll be 62 in February también.
¿Quién?
Me.
63.
62.
63.
Oh, no, 63, right?
Yes,
Right, 63. I don't want to be that old.
Yo voy a tener 62.
62.
67.
No, 62.
62. No, I'm going to be 66. 65. It's going to be 66.
Sí, fue 65 cuando se retiró.
No.
Hace un año.
Voy a tener 66.
Sí.
In March.
How old are you, Rich?
23.
23.
43.
43.
Yeah, but Carmen was 48 when he passed
He
away.
was
He was going to be 49.
50. He was 49.
Oh, he was 49, he was going to be 50.
And Rick Bob is 52.
Yeah, 52.
He's getting old.
Josie's what?
58.
Oh, you painted the top, huh?
No voy a dar ahora.
Painted
You're
it?
going to half and half or what?
What's the color of the cake?
Hey, girl. How are you, girl? Long time no see. Like Bobby, hey, girl.
I know, everybody called me girl.
¿Cómo estás, Andy?
Birthday is too.
Bobby's birthday, too.
I know.
Tuesday. His birthday's going to be Tuesday.
I know.
Maybe next week's his birthday.
62.
No.
And Uncle Bob.
I took them on your pocket.
Teddy! What's happening? I haven't seen you in a long time.
I haven't seen you.
Look at, he's already eating. Just got here, he's already munching. Watch out, the dog's gonna get you!
Grandma has a great birthday and I love her very much.
She probably was okay.
And you're the cameraman.
I told Mary and Johnny were at the house. Keep it closer to her.
Well, you think that she would come to them, you know?
It's fun. Taking pictures again.
Never fails to come her.
Small for the camera.
What's her name?
Seafood.
Joe. He was going to come Thursday. Thursday night to see Andy.
Shared.
Now they're so far away.
Shared.
The sheriff
Oh,
fire.
You
wow.
probably can do it with your hand, honey.
Jenny broke it.
You want some pancakes? Say hi. Dad. It's not on. The Brady Bunch. One more kid and 3 girls.
What do you got in there? she's out in the patio.
But she'll
Hi.
Hi.
You're late.
Yeah.
What traffic?
Yeah. Well, Captain
Angie, over here, look at.
Hey, Long, where have you been?
There's mine down here.
Soda. Club soda.
It's a bottle of syrup. Put in the house for me.
There's in the bed de este.
Open it, Dad.
I'll open it.
Open it.
I'll go get a couple glasses.
Wait, how much do I give you?
That's the stuff she likes.
Open it, Dad.
Bubble bath. There it is. How did you do?
You sit in the bathtub and bubble bath. I've seen it.
Oh, I really tied it on her because I didn't.
Take your time.
Está narizón este Richard. Chiquito, tiene long narices. Está long nose.
How long is he gonna let that tail grow? How long is he gonna let that tail grow?
Oh, she brought Dennis's.
Yeah?
He looks like Dennis, just like Dennis. I saw a guy with a small earring, another one was Cassandra.
Come here.
This one, but a small
Show this here.
You better stop. I'm not kick you.
You might take the window off.
I haven't done anything yet. No, you did. You're still sure.
Yeah. And he saved it.
Okay, on the top.
So you home?
Which one? Which one? Which one?
Yeah.
No, there's that some deals for the older ones.
Hortensia,
We start.
There's a red house, you can tell.
Are you taking pictures of the babies?
How the king caught? Because they shoot me.
Uncle, didn't he flush your money down the toilet too when he was little?
Yeah, he used to do that too. He used to do that to Gracie.
$20.
He used to get $20 bills.
$40.
Well, I'm saying, but he used to get the $20 bills and throw them and flush them down the toilet. He was retarded when he was
And he lit the house on fire.
He blew up the car.
Pick up the letters.
Listen to it.
Jesse. Here, that's not.
Are you eating your hot dog and stuff? Come on, Minnie. Oh, that's good. Girl.
I want me to hold this for her.
You take a bite. Let me see. He's so cute. Look how sweet and cute. You drink your milk?
Took a little bit. Wanted to sit over there. She's like, please space with you. My parents like, let's have space with you. I'm like, okay.
Okay, here's your milk. You drink some of your milk. Okay, Mina?
Mama,
What?
I want to put up a
You want what?
I put the hot dog in the table.
Well, there's not enough room on the table.
Here. Put it in place. She wants you to get up.
Gosh, they're taking a picnic.
Can I take a picture of you? And I'm just gonna take a picture of the baby. Yeah, you got something on your teeth. I'm gonna really get close up on them.
You should have said nothing.
Wait, go like this.
Why? Got food in there?
Just want to see if you'll do it.
I don't know if it was food.
What's the matter? What's the matter? What about
Go like this. You got those groñas. No, from sleep. Groñas. Groñas. They're
They
groñas.
say the older you get, the worse they get.
I know. You're all right? The older they get, Dan, he didn't smear, did it?
Right here. You're a messy leader.
I don't have a mirror.
Phil.
That's it. Now you got to tell Gracie. She got it too?
Romantic places. No, what you told him?
Yeah, look.
You gotta take her to a motel and take her to a romantic place. Yeah, buy me flowers and give me a second.
What? Say something.
Hold up your nose.
You gotta buy her some. You gotta buy her some.
Gave the salad.
Romantic.
Yeah, that costs about $100 an hour.
My teeth. Keep my mouth closed.
No, it's like there's like broccoli or something. You want a toothpick?
I won't open my mouth.
Sandy, I'll wait here. Go in the bathroom and get it out. It's,
Put it back.
what?
Oh, yes.
Use
Turn
this.
around, let's see. Go like that. Turn around, let me see.
Pass,
With you.
He just wants
pass me a plate, somebody.
Well, let me see if they're telling you the
I'm
truth.
not done eating.
No, Sandy, suck it out.
Suck it out.
I'm just telling you that to move to make you.
Oh, I think it's
He
the,
just wants to put me on camera so he can do it.
I think it's carne.
Tell Richard.
It's carne.
Tell Richard to move his cap.
Like Sandy, just go like this.
He swallowed it I don't know how many times.
Tell Richard to move his cap.
Okay, you still have a little groña in your eye.
Well, it's going to stay there.
Esther. Oh God, it looks like somebody just pinched you. Smile.
Good show. That's the show.
But their hair's all kind of messed up.
See that? I see the mom. Hey, want to see in it?
You got some lipstick right here.
Please, could I see in there?
What's that stuff in your eye?
Come on.
No, yeah, right. No, on the other end, on the end.
That. Now you're going to put that in the movie.
Esther, you know that stuff? What is it called when you fall asleep and you wake up with it in your eye?
I don't know what you call them.
Grañas? Graña.
Grañas. Grañas is a stuff you find at the beach.
Were you sleeping on? Greñas?
Greñas.
I thought you didn't know what it was called. You little liar.
They just told me. I didn't know. Take a picture of you, brother.
Did you finish your food?
Yes, I ate everything up. Look it, I even left the horse. Sandy, you didn't know salad?
Wow, you cleaned it up good.
Yeah, look at Sandy over there.
Where's she at?
She didn't know salad. Oh, guys, Sandy.
Hi, Sandy.
Yay! Just eat it from the bowl. Any broccoli? Yeah.
Hey, Sandy, there's onions in there. You're eating it?
No, I'm going to pick them out.
Don't take all the shrimp.
I don't want them to go bad.
Leave some shrimp in there.
Don't take all the shrimp.
I want cauliflower.
I was going to take some home for me.
Don't you live in the garage no more?
No.
You moved out. And it is in there.
Westchester?
With who?
Huh? I rent a room out.
Yeah. Are you happier?
It's less crowded.
Right here. I'm right here. Are you happier?
Yeah.
Mom, wait. Let me take a picture.
No, hi.
Smile. Mom, there's something in your teeth.
No, I don't call for that.
We went, and there's weird. Morphe wrench, Morphe wrench.
Oh, not that one.
We went and we went to go see my uncle.
Wait, this isn't the one where you saw King Kong 3 times. Okay.
We went to meet my uncle at work. He used to work there with the owner.
Uh-huh.
Used to live, Whittier, Murphy Ranch. And we decided to jump the fence and steal some fruit because he had peach trees and plum trees. Anyways, we jumped some dogs were barking at us, so we ran and jumped the fence back with all the fruit. And here was us picking up all the food and putting it on her dress like that, you know?
not that
She was running with her dress like that, you know, with her fruit. And her calzones fell down.
We're very funny, Joseph.
This is awful. She just went like that.
She left them?
She left them, and then.
But I was a little girl.
Then we here with this truck with an orange pick. The man used to pick the oranges. And Esther, here comes the truck with the aceros. And so we hide him back of a tree. We hide him back of a tree. What happened after?
I don't even remember.
So we didn't use the tree.
Well, what did Grandma say when she came home with no underwear?
She already knew about it. When we came home, she already knew about it. She knew about her underwear.
Who recognized her? Who recognized her underwear?
Josie, of course. She's the one that noticed it when it fell down. She didn't have it bad. She didn't bad. I had to put them on.
So funny.
I just kicked them out and left them there.
Got the belt, started spanking. ¿Tus calzones?
That's the end.
But oh, Josie, there's something on your teeth. Wait, let me see.
Danny.
Wait.
Nothing. My balls, did you take them out?
Okay, but wait, look. Picture your makeup, your lipstick. It's all messed.
Who is this? Is this married on December 13th?
Don't tell me I got drunk.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry. This is
That's a good part of
Your
it.
Uncle Richard got so drunk that Grandma and I had to put him to bed, and Grandma had to pull his pants down, and then he lifted up his legs and he farted. That was that's a good story.
Hortensia, you're not supposed to see your husband fart before you get married. It's
I'm
bad
sorry,
luck.
but he was so drunk that Grandma didn't know what to do with him, and we had to put him to bed. And
Did Grandma
I
apologize?
married him anyway. I should have known.
Did Grandma apologize?
Still farts, huh?
He still farts. He hasn't changed yet.
What's the story, Esther? What does he say?
He always say,
Tell us something.
oh, wait a minute, I'm going to tell you something. Wait a minute. Listen, be quiet.
Over the phone. Over the phone.
And in person.
But I don't know. I guess 21 years later, we're still together. We must have something going, right, Richard?
The farts.
we're a stinking couple. There you go.
Farts. Funny, anything funny.
There was nothing I did with Johnny. I don't know what else to say.
Wow.
Hey, my brother over here.
No, say something
Not my
about you.
brother,
This is
but-
not me. For you.
Talk about anything. Anybody. He didn't do anything bad when he was little. When he was, you remember us when we were little, what we used to do to you or whatever?
You locked me out of the house. One time when they were small, when I was.
That's out of the house.
You locked me out of the house.
Stories, the whistler and all used to lock us in the
had to break a front window to get in the house. Be able to get me inside of the house.
Well, why'd they
That teach me a lot.
Why'd they lock you up?
I have to take care. I have to babysit them.
Remember the dogs? He used to tease the dogs and you used to get them by the colita?
Crazy walked from California to the Superba into my house.
Who did?
Gracie. She lost her diaper. He lost one shoe. She was old. She was dirty. Her face.
Who's that?
Gracie. The police and looking at her. The police and everything. And Lloyd was a boyfriend of Conchita. He was there, and I said, I asked her, "Where's your mother?" "Mama." "Where's your mother?" "Mama."
Could you imagine though somebody
She stopped there.
She
So
stopped
I
first
told
and overturned.
Lloyd, you have long feet, long legs. Go and tell Josie that Grace is here. And I was surprised because Josie always kept you real nice, you know, very well dressed. And she had a little t-shirt all dirty and no diaper.
She stopped at the Oakwood playground first to play, and somebody gave her ice cream there because she was all full of chocolate ice cream. I already had her in the bathtub. I had the neighbors, and we had just moved there. I hadn't been very long. Our neighbors were looking for her. But she had followed some girls. Look at the cake.
Yeah, I do. I like
I came to the front door, not my neighbors. Ah, yeah.
mostly.
You were that drunk, I remember everything you said.
Remember, Diane was drinking all kinds of drinks. Tracy wanted to taste that one and
That
that.
wasn't there, that was in Conchita's
That was in Mary's
No,
house.
when she got really drunk, they had to take her to the back. People from Santa Fe were there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's not me. But the tía Concha was when
Tasting all those drinks, ¿te acuerdas? Mary. Y mi tía
Oh,
Concha
mamá kept
estaba
saying,
tasting
para
los
señalar
drinks
que
que queríamos de
queríamos
eso.
de
Y
borracho.
ya se color.
The Conchitas from the
Yeah, when she was mad because every
She
time
got
we
drunk.
went to the party, they got drunk and I used to get so worried because I was thinking that they had to drive. And that day I said, I'm
My father had got drunk the day that the day he used to come.
show them how I feel.
Grandma showed him all right.
Did you get a hangover, Grandma?
Everybody stopped drinking.
Grandma,
We were shocked.
Grandma, did you get a hangover?
Now you know how to stop
I stayed
everybody.
3 days in bed.
Yeah, they got married. Concha got married. Got drunk.
Grandpa was mad at her.
And the Punch brother was making all these mixed drinks, different colors. She drank one and she wanted the blue colored glass and she wanted the pink one and she wanted to taste the blue one. And by the time she tasted all those,
Couldn't get up.
she couldn't get up the chair.
You don't even know my name.
Irene.
Growing up or dating or getting married?
How we used to babysit you?
Oh, and how Joe used to come over here and kiss you on the porch?
No, Joe never used to come over.
Yes, he did.
No, we didn't.
We were running wild and you and him were making out on the porch? Oh, okay. I have evidence. If I wish I would have had this camera now.
You should have taken a picture of him last
I used to love to feed you in the high chairs to spit all your food out.
You never took care of me when I was that little.
Yes, I did. Yes, I
How old were you?
did. 12.
And my mom trusted me with you?
Yeah, I used to watch the twins. He changed their diapers.
we're gonna go see. He's gonna
But
make
you,
a present from you.
Joe just lived 3 blocks away and you told me he never came over here once?
You better go inside.
You gotta make him talk.
Where is he today? Why? Has there been a fight?
That's Grandma's on top. He's 25.
Well, I told you, that's why.
Well, how old is your dad?
53.
Grandma, you gotta say something. Grandma, you gotta say something about Bob when the day he came into your life.
Yeah, I know. One word from Bob.
Who brought this?
The guy here, you had 5, 6 girls, and then my brother Carmen asked what it was going to be, and Nick, my husband, said, "Oh, it's going to be a boy," and he said, "Oh, Laura don't know how to."
Josie, that little one, my mother, who's at the bottom?
So then Nick said, "I bet you a box of beers, and it's going to be a boy." So he went to work, and then baby that was born, and he came to work. He said, "What is it?" This is Lupe, my
Make sure the card, make the right card.
told him it's a boy. She had a boy. But he didn't even come into the room to see the baby. He went to Carmen for the beer.
Yes, I know who, Bobby.
Can you say it?
Bobby, give me that purse.
I didn't want to be over there.
Suitcase. He's angry.
Too hot to be like
Then, Rachel, can you make your baby move?
David, move.
Rachel, can you make your baby move?
Stand right there. Right there.
Yeah, watch this.
Okay, Mom, Mom, you open one gift, and then Bobby opens one gift. No, you're my mom. You're our mom. You open one gift. You're our mom. Oh, really? Don't touch. Don't touch. Judy, you're the dad.
Who's giving us?
I'm going to do that too, and you're going to say, what the heck did you do to your hair? See, she wants to be a blonde. They frosted it tonight.
Happy birthday from
I told
Tony
you I
and
said,
Esther.
wait till you see
Thank
your
you, Esther and Tony.
What does she do now? She says she's blonde.
Well,
There's this cute haircut where they just shave it like this.
From my room to open a present.
Oh, that and just keep it long. Just thin. And just keep it long. And then kind of like
Hey, you're missing all this excitement.
What?
I don't know.
Oh,
Dad just bumped her off the chair.
Me and Tony.
Usually don't say anything.
Here.
glad you can see through paint.
I know. It's pink. It's pink. It's peach. Not pink. It's a peach color.
Oh, pretty.
That'll fit me.
Wait, don't, no more. Only when she gives you the
Buy that
wrapping
sweater.
paper.
Somebody might get it for Christmas. Next week.
Oh, I will buy you.
Next week we'll have my grandma's
Bobby,
recipe.
open one of
I
yours.
like that color.
Grandma, who got you that?
Esther.
Esther and Tony. Yeah.
Who is it from, Bobby? You have to read the card.
Next
See
week
who
we'll
that's
rice
from.
on the grandma.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Ah, we can see that.
Oh,
What is it? Oh, it's that name.
From who?
Mom.
my mom.
Es todo.
Open it.
Yeah, whatever.
It's someone special and it has a dog. It's cute. It looks like, what's his name?
Nutmeg.
Walnut. I used to call him Walnut. This wish is as warm as it can be because it's for you and it's for me. Oh, that's cute. Happy birthday, love from your mom. That's what it says. You're from your mom.
We believe you. Yeah, we believe you.
Time the wrapping paper to tear it up and take it.
Tear it out.
Here, take it.
I think my Christmas presents is I've been saving the comic books out of the alley. Wrap up in this paper.
Oh, I like that muffler.
And who's that helper?
Oh, nice.
Well, that'll fit me.
One word.
It'll fit Danny.
You could take the paper. Wait, Dad, I want to see it.
I like that muffler.
You could take the paper. Oh, my.
See, you wear, Bob, wear that tonight and then bring out the champagne.
Take the paper off. I think I'll put it. Okay? You threw the...
That's for Bobby.
Get the world.
You can wear small. How many years?
She kept feeding him.
Come here. Thoughtfulness. And Mother, when your birthday's here, we always like to say we appreciate you more and love you more each day. Have a very happy birthday. Lots of love, Richard and Hortensia. Thank you, mijos. I love you.
Ah, es una botella de whisky. Brandy, ¿verdad?
Brandy.
So I can buy it.
Brandy, yes.
Well, let's all pass it around. Let's all have a swirl.
What's the name of it? Can we try it?
By the time they're done, we'll have one left.
Just an envelope?
We'll save them for the last if you want.
Just an envelope.
Huh?
Just an envelope.
Is that the one with the clip?
No.
And after when Grandma opened all her presents, then we go watch the...
To Uncle Bob, thinking of you on your birthday and sending warm wishes your way for all the good things you think of when you think of a really great day. Happy birthday, love from your niece Sandra and girls.
Okay, open it, give. Open it out. Now open it. Another one with a gift on it.
Wait, Dad.
Oh, you're gonna
You're a terrific brother.
Josie had it last.
Josie had it last.
The same warm wish, the same warm wish, the same warm love from one year to another for the same terrific, thoughtful you.
What's that from?
Very special brother. Happy birthday with love. Love from your sister and from your sister Mary and John.
I like, what I really like is opium.
I don't like the name.
Don't even hear.
Look at that.
You'll look at
That is.
Hey, no, I put money in that too.
That'll fit me for sure.
The same thing.
That's nice.
Very nice.
Here, let me put it right here. That's the one. That's mom. There you go.
The card failed, I don't know where mom.
So
This goes here or that goes.
Who's the owner of this gift? Who's the owner?
That's mine. That doesn't have a card, mother.
Oh, it doesn't have a card?
No. Well, I like that paper.
What's $1.50? I didn't have a card on my either.
She says it.
I like that paper. I like that old-fashioned flowers.
If you have like a frame and you want to embroider it, you can embroider it with it.
With that,
Have you ever been collage this year, Irene?
Della's good at doing that. She collaged her bedroom. Bobby, didn't Adela collage her bedroom?
Oh my God, she wallpapered it with pictures. Teenage idol. Della.
Oh, yeah, Della.
You want to put it outside? There's
Grandma's
saving that picture.
She's always supposed to be. I mean, it was supposed to be.
Chloe just laughed. She did it from one end of the room to the other, from the tank to the front.
Thank you, in a box.
What is it? Thank you.
What is that?
In a box. I knew it.
Mother, tell them what kind it is.
What kind? What flavor is it?
It's holiday celebration. By Lauren.
Oh,
She was complaining how long it was.
$1.50.
Grandma, that'd be a good one.
But it lasts longer. She wouldn't spray so much on.
Yeah. She sprays a lot of it.
It's Bob's turn.
Bob's turn, Mom.
Bobby's turn, mother.
Thank you, that's your birthday.
Ah, looks like Mikey.
I just like him too.
It's even great like him.
Picture up, Kenji. Put it on camera.
I got it.
Go like that, Bobby. Go like that, Bobby. All right.
What about me?
What's that from?
Put them on.
From who? This is from your loving, talented, charming, devoted, unselfish, hardworking, smart, clever, ingenious, loyal, honest, admirable child. Angie,
You have to say, I lie a lot.
look at this, who is so much like you. Angie. You're more talkative. Yeah, you talk more.
Who says that?
Who's this card?
That's
I don't care who they're from now.
Where's Sandy?
Behind you.
Behind you somewhere.
Right here. Sandy, right there. Andy, because this birthday great and special event for you, I bring the world all over today and warmest wishes to very happiest. When your birthday's here and all the joy that life can bring each day throughout the year. Love and Jesse.
You gotta correct that, huh?
No, to the last. I'm going to bring it to the last.
Open that little one, mother, right there. The little one, like that one. Open that one, but you need to open the card, then you can open it.
Wait, open the card first.
Open the card first.
I don't know who she is. Do you know who she is?
I don't know who it is, mother. You're my mother. I don't know who Eleanor Casarez is.
She even signs her checks that way.
You got a diamond
Grandma.
ring? That's beautiful, Grandma.
Takes a lot.
That's nice. Was that from you to you? I like those gifts. Me to me.
For your grandson, Jesse Jr. Oh, thank you, Miss Jesse Jr. Happy birthday. Raise your birthday. For sure. Happy. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. How much I love you. But with every blessing here, I realize more and more how much you mean.
When was Jesse's birthday?
I remember the charity.
Back had one on the 14th. Happy birthday,
Mama, that's the little box right there.
I know it.
Mother, in that little box right
Should
there.
have had too many trees.
Que Bobby se acabaron, se acabaron, Bobby.
But I wanted
Okay, Bobby, open your gift.
I can't see.
We didn't hear.
Mama, open your gift.